let's look at this hyperbola here. There's the function. This looks pretty straightforward. 6 over x minus 2 plus 2. State the equations of the asymptotes. Well, that's pretty straightforward. The vertical asymptote is x equals 3, the opposite of this number, and the horizontal one is y equals 2. So you need those equations. Easiest 2 marks in the exam if you just know your work there. Consider the coordinates of any intercepts with the axes. Well, how do you do that? Well, you let x equal 0. You put 0 in there. That would make that minus 2 plus 2. That would make it 0. So that is the x and the y intercepts, 0 and 0. That's that answer. Oh, why is that worth 3 marks? I guess, anyways, anyways, that's it. Sketch the graph. Well, we know that the branches are in the first and fourth quadrant. We graph these lines here, the first and third quadrant rather, and we graph these lines, a vertical one at x equals 3 and y equals 2. We know one of the branches goes through 0 and 0. That means it must be just this shape. There's like the first quadrant of the axes of the asymptotes that define the kind of hyperbola, and it passes through 0 and 0. So you just label that 0 and 0, and you go x equals 3, y equals 2. That's a sketch of the whole thing, and you label it f and x and y like that. If y equals x plus k is the axis of symmetry of this thing, that's the line going right through there. It's got a gradient of 1, and it goes through 3 and 2. So all you do, this is one way to do it. Y equals, you can go y, you've got this equation. You can put in x is 3 and y is 2, and then solve for k. I think this is maybe the easiest way. You can use the point gradient formula and get the same answer, but this one works just as good. K is minus 1. I put in the x, I put in the y value. That happens right there because it goes right through there. It's a line that cuts the hyperbola in half. It's an axis of symmetry, but subtract 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So k is minus 1. There's the equation. Oh, it says find the value of k. I guess we were finished right there. K equals minus 3. And there we are. We're all done.